Hey, what's up guys, my name is Christian and today I'm going to show you a quick and easy method on mounting your Quasar tube lights. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the end of the video. Like I said, super simple, really easy to do. I just want to point out a couple of things though in case you want to try and build this rig for yourself. The most important piece to this whole project is the Q block, and that's meant for the T8 lamp. You can actually get it on Quasar's site, so if you don't have this block, make sure to get it. And one of the reasons why I use this and I love it is because they already have the molding for a nut to be set in place. So all I did is I brought the block to my local hardware store, just found the screws and nuts that correlate to the size. I got the 1032 screws, I got a pack of them, and then it's pretty much good to go from there. All you need to do is paint, drill, and it's really simple. With the L bracket, you just have to get the right ones depending on what threads you have for your light stand or tripod, and you may need to just modify the entryway, but again, that will depend on what kind of angle brackets you can get a hold of. Not important, but it's definitely a good option to know is I was using GoPro screws to screw into the board and to connect to the mount. It is the exact same thread as the 1032, so you don't need that, but if you just want something to kind of clean it up a bit and bring out the aesthetics, definitely you can use that. Other than that, like I said, really easy. I believe it just took me an hour to do, and a lot of that was just painting and allowing the paint to dry quickly. And yeah, I know a lot of people use gaffer's tape or clamps, but if you just want to have another alternative, maybe this is something that you can try for yourself. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you again soon.